Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something that might surprise you. Did you know that nearly 75% of people who try minimalism in 2024 end up feeling more stressed instead of relieved? Crazy, right? You might be thinking, isn't minimalism supposed to make life easier? Or maybe you've heard the common saying that minimalism is just about owning less. But is that really the whole story? All right, let's get into it. Minimalism has been gaining so much traction lately, and for good reason. People everywhere are looking to simplify their lives, declutter their spaces, and find a clearer mental state in a world that often feels overwhelming. The allure of minimalism is strong. It promises a life with less stress, more freedom, and the ability to focus on what truly matters. But here's the kicker. While the concept sounds straightforward, many folks are actually missing the mark on what it really means to live a minimalist lifestyle. And that's what we're going to break down today. The biggest mistake people make when trying to embrace minimalism in 2024. So, let's dive into what I believe is the biggest mistake people make when they set out on their minimalist journey, focusing solely on decluttering. Many people think minimalism equals decluttering, and while decluttering is a crucial part of the process, it's not the whole story. If you find yourself constantly needing to declutter, it's a sign that something deeper needs to change. Minimalism isn't just about clearing out your space. It's about creating a lifestyle that truly supports you, one that brings balance and fulfillment. I've noticed a shift in modern minimalism towards a more holistic approach, one that embraces the idea of creating spaces that feel nurturing and supportive, rather than just empty or stark. It's about finding that sweet spot where your environment reflects who you are and what you need, without excess or overwhelm. The key to lasting change lies in adopting a holistic mindset. Decluttering is just one piece of the puzzle. If you only focus on the physical act of getting rid of stuff, you're missing out on the deeper transformation that can come from this lifestyle. That's why I encourage a more comprehensive approach, one that touches on 5 critical areas: your mind, your emotions, the physical space, the energy in your home, and your maintenance habits. First, let's talk about the mind. Our attachments to material things often run deeper than we realize. Maybe you hold on to things because of past experiences or because of beliefs you've carried for years. These attachments shape the environment you create around you. Understanding why you hold on to certain items is the first step in creating a space that truly reflects who you are today, not who you were in the past. Your mindset and beliefs play a huge role in this transformation. If you see yourself as someone who is disorganized, that belief will influence your actions. But when you start to shift those beliefs, when you start seeing yourself as someone capable of maintaining a peaceful, organized space, you begin to act in ways that support that new identity. It's about aligning your actions with your beliefs, and that alignment starts with changing how you see yourself. Then, there's the emotional aspect. Letting go of things can be tough, especially when you're dealing with items that carry sentimental value. But finding peace in the process and understanding that letting go doesn't mean losing memories is key. It's also about getting everyone in your household on the same page, creating a space that works for everyone, not just for you. This emotional journey can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. The physical act of decluttering is, of course, important, but it's just one part of the process. Yes, you need to take action and clear out the excess, but that's only 20% of the journey. Without addressing the other areas, your mind, emotions, the energy in your space, and your habits, you'll find yourself stuck in a cycle of decluttering and recluttering, never really achieving that lasting peace you're looking for. Energy is another crucial element. Your home isn't just a collection of rooms and furniture. It's a space that should rejuvenate you, that should feel good to be in. The way your space is organized, the colors you choose, the lighting, the layout, all of these elements contribute to the energy of your home. A space that feels chaotic will leave you feeling chaotic, but a space that's calm and organized will have the opposite effect. It's about creating an environment that supports your well-being. Finally, let's talk about maintenance. Once you've decluttered, how do you keep it that way? This is where habits and routines come in. Without a solid maintenance plan, your space will quickly revert to its old, cluttered state. Building habits that support your clutter-free lifestyle is essential for keeping your home and your life in order. This might mean setting aside time each week to tidy up, or creating a system for dealing with incoming items so they don't pile up. So, to sum it all up, the biggest mistake people make with minimalism is focusing only on decluttering. To truly live a minimalist lifestyle, you need to take a holistic approach, one that addresses your mind, emotions, the physical space, the energy of your home, and your maintenance habits. This approach leads to lasting change and creates a space that truly supports you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community, and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support. See you in the next video soon. Take care.